it's showing $129.99 on the website. Because that's for shipping nationwide. But in store, it's already, we take out the goods for service is $80. 80 bucks plus tax is $91 total with a 1-year warranty term. You have a course just a $20 course. You 111. 1-year warranty. Everywhere you go, you gotta have a core. Anywhere you go, you have it. But you got it for $80. Okay, all right. Let's see, I got different ones. I got on Interstate brand. Got the green ones on here, the Interstate too. Oh, really make a difference. Okay, here's the battery. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get you the highest one. Are you before I start? No. Yeah, they do. Yeah. We had some, like the Optimus, the blue top Optimus, we had 3 of them on it. We sold them though last week. We got one back there, still back there. Those like $400 back there. We sold those at $150 a piece. Optimus. Those are the jail over there. That's all we got left. We had 3, we got 1 left. $110.99. It has a $20 cord charger now. Like I said, you bring any old battery back. It's $20 right on back. Alright? Thank you, buddy. And the warranty is written on the top of the side. This gives you the receiver too. That's the warranty. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. How you, buddy? How you doing? Alright, you're good. 4 tours? Size 36. 4 tours. 65 or 36. Let's see. Like, what year is the 4 tours? 2004. SE, SL, SES. V6 record. Yeah, we got this stuff for you. You got put it with the old core and make $80 plus tax. It'd be $91 total with a 1-year warranty. On the 2-year warranty, $149. Okay, all right, let's $20 cord charge. It'd be $111 for a 1 year. And for 2 years, we $20 for like Okay, you want to get it right now? Okay, all right, not far. Okay, we got 1 left to start. All right, thank you. Everybody say that'd be 1 year or 2 years? 1 year be $111. 111. Thank you, buddy.
Hello. Good morning.
All right.
Best battery guy ever.
What you got going on today?
You got a battery for me? So they were fixing? Check for it?
Oh, for yesterday, right?
No, I just had it for, the camera.
Yeah, you didn't come yesterday, right? Was a group size, the BMW battery, right?
Yeah.
BMW and what else?
That's the check for it.
Yep.
And this check, I need battery for a Tahoe, LTZ, and a battery for 2016 Chevy Traverse. That's American Auto Sales and Repairs. Great deals on wheels. Come and see me, Adam Alash.
There you go, exactly. Let's see here. Yeah, we service all car dealers. So Make sure.
Great prices, good batteries.
There you go.
Better than AutoZone, Advance or O'Reilly. Same things, different day. Beep that. It's like beep.
All right, that's this. Put this back here. All right, you see, okay, what year? You got the old battery turn, the old cores? Okay.
Yeah, but not the old cord, the same cord.
Oh, that's not the same cores? Okay.
Yeah, but I got the
all right.
old battery. Yeah.
All right, what you need for the Tahoe now?
The battery Tahoe, what year?
When you install?
14? No. 16? 2008? 2008, I guess.
2008. All right. 2008. Chevy?
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing, sir? What's your 1 second?
Okay. All right.
LT, LS, which one is it?
LT.
LTZ?
LT? LTC. LT.
Probably a side post battery, right? Is it a side post? No, it's an H6. Okay, got that H6. All right, and what does she need?
2016 Chevy Traverse.
2016 Chevy Traverse. 2016 Chevy Traverse. Yes, sir. Chevy. LS, LT, LTZ, which one is it? I'm trying to look at different same battery. H6 and 2. Both of them take H6 batteries. Yeah, both of them take the same battery. Okay. Tahoe in the shit. You need that BMW battery, right? Yeah, the
BMW battery.
Yeah, your BMW battery right here. This played on the Discover card? Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I paid for it.
All right, we'll refund back the card.
Okay.
I got another one for another one.
Oh, you told me you didn't go get one.
Don't do 5-year warranties. 3 years at the tops.
Well, I don't know what.
Yeah, I got it.
I bought like 5 batteries.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know. Since we got plenty on the shelf, you want another one. Twice as much as everyone else is doing.
No, that's what I'm
I don't know what
You ain't paying
you
for it.
I know you're paying for it.
You gonna pay me back if you know how that be. I might.
All right, so I refunded it right here. Refunded it here, man. Take about a day or two.
Okay.
All right. There's refund. You go short refund with the
Okay. All right. Thank you.
all right, thank you.
All right. Thanks, sir.
All right. Yes, sir. I can help. That's only for that seat. Yeah. That CX, CXL, CXL. Size 79. Decent to be a. 2008, you're the sir, right? CXL, H6. Oh, that's H6. H6. You're the car now? Yeah, that car. Okay. Yeah, come on, running double check, make sure it's coming at H6, we'll make sure. Lawnmower battery. Lawnmower battery. Lawnmower batteries. Probably had some. Let me double check and see though. We gotta stop, buddy. So the last ones just a week. Sorry about that, man. Brand new Walmart. All right. We got a busy day here at Battery Guyz. As you can see, we got customers coming in and out all day long. We got another customer pulling up as well. Oh, is it the back truck? Yeah. 80 plus thousand. $90. New truck just $30 for the start.
Okay, I'll come back later.
Okay.
Just make sure you have one in stock.
Yeah, I got one in stock. Yep. I got one in stock. I mean, if you want to install it yourself, you can do that.
Okay.
It'd be just beat $91. Yep. Okay. If you want to install it yourself, you can do that right now. If you want to install it yourself, the battery said to be $91.
Okay. I'm just waiting on my paycheck to get.
Okay. Yep. You install it yourself. We got tools here to use as well.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, bud.
Thank you.
Yep. So you get $80 plus tax fee, $91 with a 1 year warranty.
Okay.
No battery treatment.
Okay.
That's half price anywhere else you go. You ain't gonna find no better price. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's the 5 o'clock, man.
Okay.
All right, think about it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we sold you these? No. Oh, we didn't. Okay. I just see a date on here. That's all. Look on there.
Some of those, this one's from us.
Well, you know, maybe it's from some golf carts that I bought.
Oh, it is. Look, it is from us. Look.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I see it because I saw it writing on the side. I said, kind of like my handwriting. I'm like, hold on. Let me see. So we got
5 years ago.
Yeah, 5 years ago. Wow. 2, 4, 6, 8 of them.
Yes.
Year warranty. I'm the door to make $91.
Okay.
It's a 1 year warranty.
Okay.
You got the 24 inch. You also got the 2.7 inch.
Why is it different here?
Link.
Oh.
Yeah, just leave it on.
Okay, but one the last was
What you need it for? You need it for starting, or you need it for the lights, radio, or what?
Back in the notes.
You got 8 times 7, 56, $58. You could use $58 credit toward the purchase price of the marine battery. Marine battery. Nobody else does that. You end up getting it for like 30 bucks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You got trade-in credit right now. It's called trade-in value.
With a golf cart.
For the golf carts, okay.